Hi, first grade friends. This week I was in your class on Wednesday morning and we read a new story together called Dozens of Doughnuts. Remember when we talked about the story The Book Hog and we talked about how hogging can mean all for me? Well, look at that bear carrying that plate of donuts. Are those donuts all for the bear? Or will the bear share? Let's read and find out. Dozens of Doughnuts, written by Carrie Finnison, illustrated by Bree-Ann Farley. Ooh, look at all those yummy donuts. I think if I got to pick any of those donuts to eat, I think I would pick this one, number 13. Look at all that chocolate. Yum! Dozens of Doughnuts, written by Carrie Finnison, illustrated by Bree-Ann Farley. Early one morning, as autumn leaves scatter, Luann's busy stirring a big bowl of batter. She'll eat some sweet treats, then, warm and well fed, she'll sleep away winter, tucked tight in her bed. 1 dozen doughnuts, hot from the pan, toasty and tasty, and all for ding dong. Woodrow, do you have enough for a neighbor to share? Sure, says Luann, and she pulls up a chair. 1 dozen doughnuts, hot from the pan. Half are for Woodrow, the rest for Clyde? Luann, feeling generous, offers her plateful. Doughnuts, my favorite, says Clyde. I'm so grateful. You're welcome, dig in. I'll make more, says Luann. She measures and mixes as fast as she can. 1 dozen doughnuts, hot from the pan, a few for her friends, and the rest for ding dong. Topsy? I smelled something good. Can I hang for a while? Luann says come in, but she's lost her big smile. Delicious, cries Topsy. She gulps down a swallow. Luann's heart feels warm, but her belly feels hollow. 1 dozen doughnuts, hot from the pan, some for each friend, and the rest for ding dong. Moffat? Moffat is so shy that she hides in a shrub. Luann heaves a sigh and says, come join the club. While her guests eat the doughnuts, Luann starts to worry. She cracks her last egg and pours milk in a hurry. The last dozen doughnuts, hot from the pan, a pair for each friend, mean there's more for ding dong. Chip and Chomp? It sounds like a party. They both scamper in. They fill up their cheeks. Now let winter begin. Woodrow pours cider. They all raise a toast. But Luann is fed up with her job as the host. She's ready to sleep through the snow, ice, and sleet. But winter is near and there's nothing to eat. Deep in her throat, there's a low, hungry grumble. It slowly grows louder. Her friends hear the rumble. One look at Luann, and they dash for the door. After all, she's a bear, and she's ready to roar. She fusses and flails, and then slowly grows still. Snowflakes drift down, All is quiet until ding dong. Peeking outside, Luann blinks in surprise. Her friends have come back, and they all brought supplies. We counted the doughnuts you made us, so many. And that's when we noticed you didn't get any. Topsy ties aprons, they prop Luann's feet. Chip measures, Chomp mixes, Moffat checks the heat. Dozens of doughnuts, hot from the pan, stacked up in heaps, and they're all for Luann. But her friends have made more than enough for one bear. She has plenty to eat, and she's happy to share. They shared their doughnuts. Oh, look, my favorite is still there. Maybe I can go eat half and share with Luann. All right, first grade friends, I am so glad that you have listened to this story, maybe for the first time or maybe again, and I can't wait to see you again next week so we can read something else together. Bye, everybody.